Traveling to a different country for the first time can be an intimidating experience. Did I pack my toothbrush? Where's my passport? How do I avoid looking like a lost tourist? Folks, welcome back to Nomadic Narratives. I'm dropping 10 travel hacks you must know as a first-time traveler, so you don't get lost, sick, or stranded on your first trip abroad. We're covering everything from practical packing tips to common sense travel hacks that often get overlooked. Plus, I've got bonus tips towards the end that you won't want to miss. Hit that like and subscribe, and let's dive in. Number 1, research your destination. Half the fun of travel is geeking out over your destination beforehand. You know, learning about what makes your destination unique and exciting long before you book that ticket. For example, did you know in Spain it's considered rude to eat and walk at the same time? Or that tipping is essentially illegal in Japan? You want to know these little cultural quirks ahead of time? You can check out channels like ours to get the inside scoop on must-see attractions. After all, you don't want to miss the city's signature dish after traveling all those miles for a once-in-a-lifetime journey, do you? And oh, don't forget to look up the weather forecast. Trust me, you don't want to be caught in a blizzard rocking nothing but shorts and a tank top. Okay. But how are you actually going to afford this dream vacation? Well, don't worry, because we'll talk about that in our next tip. Number 2, plan your budget wisely. Travel ain't cheap. But there are ways to stretch those hard-earned dollars. First up, set a fun budget. You know, leave some wiggle room for spontaneous adventures like street food, or that totally ridiculous souvenir you just have to have. Secondly, you'll also want to use apps to find sweet deals on flights and accommodations. Check out the world of travel credit card hacking. You can get tons of deals on plane tickets and hotels pretty much anywhere. Lastly, always stash some extra cash in a secret place, just in case. Every seasoned traveler has probably learned this the hard way. You reach for your wallet and it's not there, and you learn how to survive on under $20 until your credit card arrives. Not fun. But don't worry, if you follow our tips, you won't ever have to experience that. Now let's talk about the fun part, packing. Number 3, pack smart and light. Listen, overpacking is a rookie mistake I've made too many times. You just end up paying heavy baggage fees and lugging around an embarrassingly huge bag with whatever you packed in it, and you won't even need half of it in your entire trip. The key is to make a packing list ahead of time. Focus on the essentials. Use packing cubes to stay organized and stick to lightweight, mix and match outfits that you can dress up or down. And by the way, if you want to look really travel smart, check out our top traveling items. Our storefront is in the link below. Great. Now you know how to pack smart and look stylish throughout your trip, but you'll want to know how I managed to stay connected back home, which I'll share next. Number 4, stay connected. The smart move is to grab a local SIM card once you arrive at your destination. You can typically pick one up at the airport or nearest mobile provider. Just make sure your phone is unlocked to use a local SIM first. Another option is a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. These nifty devices let you pay one flat rate for high-speed internet, no matter where you are in the world. Perfect for digital nomads and heavy data users. And listen, before hitting the road, download these key apps: Google Translate, your multilingual miracle worker; Maps.me for downloadable offline maps to avoid getting lost; and Handy app to help you find the best places to eat, explore, and take photos. You'll also want to keep a list of important contacts and emergency numbers handy. It never hurts to be prepared. Now let's talk about the reason we all really travel in the first place. Number 5, embrace local culture. In my humble opinion, this is what travel is truly all about. A great way to do this is by attending local festivals. And you know the saying, when in Rome, eat all the pasta, pizza, and gelato. Trying traditional dishes is another authentic way to connect with the culture. And of course, be sure to respect cultural norms like how to dress, greet others, and behave in religious spaces. But waiting in the local scene is all amazing, until you get locked out of the country. Which leads us to number 6. Don't forget important documents. Let me share a real story with you. I was going on a cruise with my family. We're on our long road trip to the ship and everything was going great, until we realized that we had left all our passports back home. I kid you not. Luckily, we had our passports priority mailed by a friend in the nick of time. Just imagine how stressed we were. Moral of the story? Always keep backup copies of your passport and visa on hand. You might want to invest in a slim travel wallet to keep those very important little booklets safe. No missing papers today, but let's keep the communication flowing with some language tips. Number 7. Learn basic local language phrases. Hola, ciao, ni hao. Even just knowing how to say hello and thank you can go a long way. Use free translation apps to learn some basic, practical phrases before your trip. Once you're there, don't be afraid to butcher some pronunciations. Locals love it when you try their language, even if you get it a little wrong. Number 8. Stay flexible and open-minded. You can't have great travel experiences if you're not willing to welcome the unexpected, because you know, not everything goes as we plan in life, including vacations. On our honeymoon, we planned a challenging hike that was rated as hard difficulty. Well, let me tell you, that rating was spot on. We had to use ropes to climb up steep rocks, and just as we reached the summit, a thunderstorm rolled in. We were sliding in the mud all the way back down, but the view was worth it. Situations like these are reminders to stay flexible and open to surprises on your journey. I'm not saying you should put yourself in danger, but try out new things you can't experience back home. Don't be afraid to explore off the beaten paths. Go with the flow and allow your adventure to unfold naturally. But seriously, nothing puts a damper on vacation bliss quite like money troubles. Which takes us to number 9. Protect your finances. One step before any international travel is to notify your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans. This way, you can use your cards without setting off any fraud alarm bells. You'll also want to invest in a secure travel wallet. I can't tell you how many travelers I've seen dropping their jaws and their wallets in horror. While you're out living La Vida Local, check out your financial records regularly for any sneaky transactions. Folks, you're already ready for our 10th tip. Make sure to stick around for our bonus travel hacks. Number 10. Make the most of your time. How? By striking a balance between planning and leaving room for serendipity. Make a loose itinerary with prioritized activities, but don't get rigid. After all, it's your vacation, not a boot camp. Keep your windows open for unplanned adventures. And most importantly, take time to recharge yourself. Without that, I tell you, you won't be able to fully savor each once-in-a-lifetime experience. Folks, if you follow these 10 essential steps, you'll be a first-time travel pro in no time. To those who stayed with us, here's some bonus travel tips. Capture and share your memories. Whether you're an old-school journaler or a vlogger extraordinaire, be sure to capture all the highlights. Although, word to the wise, maybe go easy on those selfie sticks, unless you want the locals playing keep away. Next, posting updates and share-worthy snaps online is a great way to give your friends and family a taste of your travels. Just be prepared. You may trigger some major FOMO. Karen's riding an elephant? I'm just stuck in meetings. Yeah, you may want to savor those reactions for a bit. But in all seriousness, having photos, videos, and journal entries to look back on lets you relive those travel highs over and over. So don't be shy, document it all. Hey, if you like these tips, check out our video guide to Thailand next. It's the perfect destination to put these tips into practice. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you there.